how's everybody doing? This is our second class for the sounds of the vowels. Remember, they have two sounds, short and long. I'm going to read to you the list of words for the short sound. Remember to record yourselves so you can practice and listen to your own pronunciations and make it better. Short A words: act, cap, fat, hot, lap, pum, act, cap, gap, hum, lag, nap, rag, cat, fat, has, lag, pan, rat. Esto es solo un ejemplo. Short E sounds: ben, gem, keg, net, ten, bed, get, let, men, red, wet, fed, jet, met, set, and wet. Short I words: bin, dig, jig, jib, lit, rim, bid, dip, hit, kit, pig, sin, did, gin, hip, lit, pit, and sit. Short O words: bog, cop, got, log, not, rot, cot, got, lob, mop, pot, and top. Short U words. This sound is a. Bun, cut, gum, plug, pun, rug, bum, cut, gus, jug, hug, nun, run, some, that, gun, hut, nut, rum, tug.